Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, we are going to take a look at how to create this icon. The style of this icon is skeuomorphism. Skeuomorphism is a style where the design of a virtual object or an icon is inspired from a real life physical object. So in here, you can see that this is a play button which is inspired from a tactile button. So we're going to try and recreate this skeuomorphic icon in Illustrator. So here we are in Illustrator. Let's start building our icon. So I'm going to open a new document. So to start building the icon, I'm going to go and turn on my grid so we can see an idea of the shapes that we're building. So I'm going to go to select a rectangle tool and let's create a shape like this. I'll turn the fill to red. I'll turn off the stroke and I'll make the edges rounded like this. So we have our basic shape right here. I'm going to create another shape. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, fill it with white. I'm going to go to the direct selection tool and create a play icon like this. So we have our icon sort of set up the basic shape of our icon. We want to give a physical look to this particular shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the basic shape right here. I'm going to go to Effect, 3D, and click Extrude and Bevel. So when we do this, you can see this window turning up. Just turn on preview so you can see that preview right in here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn off the rotation. So let's change the rotation value to 0 in this value. I'm also going to change this to 0, leaving just the top value with a negative 18%, so we can see the sort of bevel, the extrusion that the icon has right now. So it looks pretty good. So what we need to do is we need to come down to here and we need to change the beveling option. So beveling is how this 3D extrusion needs to be finished on the corners. So we can change that to classic, so you can see the changes here. I'm going to change this to rounded, so we're going to get a very smooth curve on the corners here. So this is looking good, so I'm going to go with that, and we can click OK, and we'll select this shape. We'll do the same thing there. We're going to go to 3D, extrude and bevel. We'll use the same values, 0 and 0, and we're going to get the same shape for our button as well in here. So we can change our beveling style to same rounded corners here and click OK. We have the shades, everything is working pretty good. So you can select the shape. We can also go to Effect and we will go to Stylize and click on Drop Shadow, and we can see a shadow being dropped into the icon right here. We can increase the blur a bit, and it gives a pretty interesting look right here. Click OK, and we have an icon right now. So I'm going to save it. So we can select this button. I'll also add a little bit of shadow down. So I'm going to just go with an ellipse tool, select or create an ellipse right here, fill it with black, and I'm going to go and blur this. We have an interesting skeuomorphic icon ready here. So it's a very easy technique to create interesting 3D icons that you want. So try it out, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be back with a new video pretty soon. Until then, take care and bye.